updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is sorting materials into groups. Question number 1. All objects are made up of only one material. Option A. True. Option B. False. The correct answer is option B. False. The statement is false. One material can be used to make different kinds of objects. Examples: wood can be used to make dolls, chairs, tables, and even ships. Question number 2. What happens when water is added to kerosene? Option A. Water floats above kerosene. Option B. Kerosene floats above water. Option C. They both mix well. Option D. Kerosene reacts with water. The correct answer is option B. Kerosene floats above water. Kerosene forms a layer above water when both the liquids are mixed and left to settle for some time. This is because the density of kerosene is less than that of water and they do not mix. Question number 3. Which among these is lustrous? Option A. Stone. Option B. Wood. Option C. Gold. Option D. Plastic. The correct answer is option C. Gold. Luster is the property which imparts shine to a substance. Metals generally show this property. The metals we generally see are copper, iron, gold, and aluminum. Question number 4. Out of the below mentioned properties, which is the most important when making a hammer? Option A. Heat resistance. Option B. Luster. Option C. Hardness. Option D. Softness. The correct answer is option C. Hardness. The properties of materials are the key factor while making objects intended for a particular use. Steel is used for making hammers as metals are generally hard in nature. Question number 5. A block of wood was placed in the path of light. It completely blocked the light to form a shadow. This is because wood block is underscore. Option A. Transparent. Option B. Translucent. Option C. Opaque. Option D. Conductor. The correct answer is option C. Opaque. The materials through which light cannot pass are called opaque. When light falls on an opaque object, some part of the light gets absorbed and the other part gets reflected back. Question number 6. Out of the following options, which group of substances is made from the same material? Option A. Switchboard, shirt, socks. Option B. Switchboard, chair, bench. Option C. Shirt, chair, pillow. Option D. Shirt, pillow, socks. The correct answer is option D. Shirt, pillow, socks. Switchboard is made of plastic. Chair and bench are made of wood. Shirt, socks and pillow are made of cotton. Question number 7. Which of the following will sink in water? Option A. Kerosene. Option B. Inflated football. Option C. Petrol. Option D. Rocks. The correct answer is option D. Rocks. Anything which is less dense than water will sink in it. From the given options, petrol, kerosene and inflated football are less dense than water and hence will float on it. Rocks are generally more dense than water. Hence, they will sink in it. Question number 8. From the given options, choose the criteria for sorting substances based on appearance. Option A. The object is a conductor of electricity or not. Option B. The object shines or not. Option C. The object is soluble in water or not. Option D. The object can be compressed or not. The correct answer is option B. The object shines or not. Materials usually look different from each other. When we look at the objects, then we find that some objects are shiny and some are not so shiny. That's because they reflect light in a different way. The way that these objects reflect light differently can be attributed to a property called luster. We choose shine or not in this case because that is the only criteria that judges appearance. Conducting electricity makes no difference in the appearance of objects. The solubility of a certain object cannot be defined just by looking at it. Similarly, whether an object can be compressed or not cannot be determined simply by looking at it. Question number 9. Which among the following substances is the hardest? Option A. Wood. Option B. Cheese. Option C. Iron. Option D. Plastic. The correct answer is option C. Iron. Hardness is the property of a material to resist deformations. Out of the given options, iron has the highest amount of hardness. Question number 10. When oil is spread on paper, which of the following are true? Option A. Objects on the other side of the paper can be seen clearly. Option B. Objects on the other side of the paper appear more bright. Option C. Objects on the other side of the paper can't be seen. Option D. Objects on the other side of the paper can be vaguely seen. The correct answer is option D. Objects on the other side of the paper can be vaguely seen. When the oil is spread on paper, the paper becomes translucent. So, objects on the other side of the paper can be vaguely seen. Question number 11. Which of the following parameters are most important when choosing a material to build something with? Option A. Properties and uses of material. Option B. Age of material. Option C. Origin of material. Option D. Color of the material. The correct answer is option A. Properties and uses of material. For using a material to make objects, we need to know its uses. Also, whether the properties of materials meet the requirements for its use, such as structural strength, hardness, melting and boiling points. So, if you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.